F30, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Alright guys, so everything is installed right now. Charge pipe, everything right there. That's the first startup, man. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So right now we just we're doing a POV drive because we just did some new mods on the car, so we're just testing it out right now. So make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I hope y'all enjoy the video, man. Alright guys, so we just put on some new intakes and charge pipe. So we're just doing like a POV drive, testing out the new mods we just put on. So right now it's OTS E30 with some mods. So only thing we're waiting on right now is just the low pressure fuel pump. Yeah, it's pulling way better. I'm gonna let y'all hear the intake. Yo, them new mod, yeah? Wake up the car, bro. Machine. Yo, this shit pull way harder.
reverse brake later.
So that's the new intake. So if y'all haven't seen that video, make sure y'all go watch that video, man. And you could hear the intake sucking in the ear too.